pull through 2 loops. Take your first loops right over here. This one is your 2 colors first loop, okay, and then you need to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. So this forms your fishtail. This one is a fishtails, okay. Don't be confused, everybody. Keep loving and supporting every people. Take your first one and then you need to yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Insert the hook inside the first stitches right over here, okay, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Please like it, it will blow up. Yes, everybody, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up, okay. Yeah, it's just a like, everybody. Keep supporting everyone. To 100 peoples, everyone, okay, please thumbs up, everyone, okay. If you guys love this color, love this live stream, don't forget to thumbs up, okay. Just 1 thumbs up is nothing, everyone, okay. Thank you for the 1, everyone, okay. Just a 1 like is nothing. We have to support each other, everyone, okay. Support each other is very important. If you guys have a YouTube channel, I will subscribe you too, okay. I will give you likes. It doesn't matter. We have to be supportive, we have to be interactive, okay. Don't, like, if you have any kind of questions related with this topic, like with this crop top, you can just feel free to ask me, okay. It doesn't matter. We are here for communication, we are here for interactive, okay. We can meet from different countries, peoples. So nice to meet you, everybody, and thank you very much supporting me all the time, okay. You guys are so supportive and kind, everyone. And every day I will make a live stream, okay. Don't forget to subscribe, everyone. If you want to watch my live stream every day, okay, you can just subscribe my channel and don't miss my live stream, because every time I will come with the different kinds of patterns. Maybe it will little, you know, it will get you a little help, like from different patterns, and I hope you will get something from me, okay. As a beginner, and sometimes I will just come with the little things, little like flowers, small flowers and small things, okay. And then I will try to show you, everybody. Yeah, like Burman says, hello, help each other. Yes, yeah, you're right. Everybody keep supporting and loving, okay. I'm making straps, okay, and this one is a fishtail, or you can just make different kinds of, like, you know, handband. Like, you can make your friends as a gift. You can just give the gift, okay, to your friends by making this. It means a bracelet, okay. You can make a different colors of bracelet, okay, and you can just wear yourself, or you can just give your boyfriend or girlfriend. It doesn't matter. To your friend. I need to drink some water because I'm so talkative. I like to talk with many peoples. Everyone, please be interactive, okay. Be active, everyone. If you guys have any kind of questions related to this, please feel free to text me, okay. I will try to explain you.